About DSLRs. Why would a person buy a DSLR? I've got two, you sold me two expensive ones. I mean, of course, I'm using them. Everybody here has got one camera phone, with gazillion pixel and this pixel and all. They take photographs, they upload it to WhatsApp and all. So why will a person go for a DSLR?
That's my business here. ऐसा मत बोल. See, why would he not own a DSLR? Now, if you click a picture from a phone, so eventually you get bored. You want something better. इससे अच्छा क्या? What next? If you are owning a 50,000 phone now, you will not go and buy a 70,000 phone. The next step is to have a DSLR. And as far as the social media and WhatsApp and all those things are concerned, you get those Wi-Fi cards now. So every camera is Wi-Fi now.
Okay, so you can put them into normal.
You just on the Wi-Fi settings you can pair it with the camera, and the moment you click from your DSLR, a high resolution 10 MB pic, it comes here.
Okay.
Instantly in 2 seconds.
And that
those
can
cards
be
are
uploaded
available cheaply everywhere.
Okay.
So it's not a big deal now to.
Fantastic. Okay, thanks for answering that question. So what's new in the cinema category?
So in the cinema camera series, we have introduced from Canon, we have a lot of Canon cameras coming in only for movies, for Hollywood movies. It started in Hollywood and now it has come to Bollywood as well. We have the cinema series called C100. One of the cameras I have just got here as a sample. So this is a camera which was actually used to shoot a lot of television serials and the movie War of the Wolves. That was done by this Captain Phillip, the recent one. So this is catching fire in India as well, and we are trying to promote this.
So what is the speciality of this camera?
It is, see, now you are shooting everything with a 5D Mark III, so that has got a limitation, 29 minutes video. This on a 64 GB card will give you non-stop 5 hours.
5 hours?
Okay.
It will not karke stop in between?
No. So now this camera is only 1.5 kg. So as Vishal was talking about miniaturization, this is happening in movies as well. So many times the artists don't know where the camera is. So it's about miniaturization, high quality, the ISO levels are high. In news, they're using these type of cameras, so direct telecast connections are inbuilt. So you just shoot and it's live on the screen there.
No processing or something goes on over there. Okay. What is the main difference between something which you use for TV and something which you're using for films?
See, now this is the medium itself. So what happens is, like, this was a projector. So what is it doing on the movie? What happens? The projector will throw the light and the image on the screen. The screen doesn't have a light. Okay. Whereas now in the TV itself is the source of light. It throws light on you. So that is the main difference. So what the director of photography needs to do, he needs to decide whether he is going to shoot for a movie or a TV. And depending on that, he just has to set his lighting conditions correct. Okay. And so if I am going to shoot, if I'm going to light up, and then try to maybe make a video for a film, and then immediately telecast it on TV, it will not look as good. So there are processes wherein the movie, so when you see the premiere coming on the movie, they have to do a lot of changes technically, and then it can be aired on TV, so that it looks good on TV as well.
So what are the television serials being shot using the C300?
This Yudh, the entire Yudh was shot using this, then Encounter. These two serials are completely shot using this particular camera.
Okay, now the bottom line, what is the price for this model?
The body is 9 lakhs. And then a series of lenses you can try.
So you have to buy lenses separately?
Obviously, this is just the body.
Only body?
So depending on the kind of shooting you need, suppose if you need zoom, there is a 30-300 lens. The cost of that lens is 26 lakhs. That is the most expensive thing, but all these cinematographers, the big ones, they own one camera and that lens, they do the entire movie with it then.
Okay. So, but these rental houses and all, they have got a lot of old cameras costing crores of rupees. So they are not going to buy these cameras.
So that is the difficult part that we face. So they have crores of those cameras where, they take the trolley and they mount the director, So that is how it is. And they all these movie makers, they just rent out the cameras.
Okay.
But now the smart ones who know about these cameras, they are insisting on the rental houses, I want this camera, I want my movie to be shot by this one. So eventually slowly it is happening, and that is why Canon is having partners like us to.
So is this a 35mm or is it a full frame, or what is it?
It's called a Super 35mm.
Super 35mm. Okay.
So yours is a full frame camera. This is a Super 35mm. mostly for videos,
videos.
not for still.
Okay, so हमारा छोटा मोटा videos नहीं होएगा. It will be for more of movie production. and all that stuff over there.
In fact, all your lenses can be used in this camera.
Okay.
All your 24-105, 16-35 wide angles, everything
They
can be used in that way.
Fantastic, Ashwin. It is fantastic. Guys, have a look at this camera, and it's something really amazing. I don't think many of us in this room can afford it.
No, why not, yaar? Come on, yaar. ऐसा मत बोलो.
So at least I can't. My wife, when my wife
say
came to
that.
know I bought the 5D for 2.5 lakhs, she's saying, 2.5 lakhs for a camera? Are you gone mad over there? So it's not going to happen for some time unless I get funding.
Why not?
So over there.
विशाल बैठा है. So,
Don't worry. And thank you so much for being on Indian Network.